you think I'm fine, that's so far from the truth.
Hey guys, before the video starts, I just want to tell you that I dropped my new song, You, Them, and I. It's a very powerful song about us and how people look down on us because we're different, or mistreat us because we're less fortunate, and or people who have manipulative parents and have friends that betray their trust. They need to hear this song, so please, I would love if you guys check it out. I'm gonna put it in the description. Check it out after you watch this video. I know I've been away for a while. I haven't uploaded a Cuphead video in a while, but I'm going to try and start uploading them again. I really appreciate you guys, and let's get straight into the video.
And we're back on some more bullshit.
On that bullshit, okay.
And we're back with some more Cuphead, guys. Let's go. Let's see what we got here today. How have you been enjoying the series? I've never actually went to this so let me show this off to you guys. Through all your battles and all my rhymes, you have failed and perished 31 times. And that's not so bad. So, let's do Beppi the Clown in Carnival Kerfuffle. I don't like clowns very much, but let's have fun with this. Yeah. Ooh! It's gonna take me a bit to get back into the groove, guys. I'm not going to lie to you. I am definitely probably rusty. I tried to avoid the frickin' light bulb. I tried to take it out first. It's like that one episode of Fairly Odd Parents, how to dance to old-timey music. Alright. Let's get here. Oh, that was my warm-up. I didn't jump high enough. Oh, brother. I could have parried that. I would prefer to parry that. Woo! Got way too close for comfort. 6 feet.
Stay away from me now. Yeah, you got to keep your social distance.
Woo! Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Sorry guys, I'm just kind of lost in the music. And also with how bad I did last time, I would love to give you guys a lot more parts today, a lot more bosses and stuff today, because last time, now I'm locked. I could only fit one boss in, and I don't want that to happen again. So I would love to give you guys a longer, well, the episode was long itself, but I'd like to give you guys, woo! I was just so unsure how I wanted to attack that. Wait, I can just be under him this time, right? Pause.
He's gay!
If I can just take care of this phase fast. Okay. Anyways, yeah. So yeah, I released my music video. That doesn't count. I released my music video for Runaround, and I put so much effort into it, into everything leading up to it. The visualizers, the lyric video came out. I didn't tell you guys, but the lyric video came out. I didn't tell you guys. I put a lot of like cool symbolism in it, and I think that the meaning of the song really gets across with everything that I put into it, and I'm very proud of it. I put a lot of effort into it for real, and like I would love for you guys to check it out and hear about how I've been battling with being in the rut and insanity of it and everything. It would mean a lot to me. And I'm trying to focus and be serious at the same time because I do mean that I put a lot of work into it and that it's a really special song to me in this point of my life. So I would really appreciate if you guys checked it out. I wanted to parry it, but I didn't stop shooting, so I held myself. Okay, and that is where we restart. So we're good. Alright, hold on. I meant to hold lock! I got confused because of what just happened. I was too soon. I'm gonna just try and beat it with one hill. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna just try and like lock in. I don't know why I think the gun wasn't shooting. Come on. I wanna do more than one boss today. Damn it, I want to parry that. So what have you?
Bruh.
No, absolutely not. That's not right. I 100% got that parry. That is so dumb. I was gonna say, so what have you guys been up to since my hiatus from this game? I'm recording this on Thursday. My god. I don't know if I can do this. I recorded this on a Thursday. I don't know when I'm gonna upload it. But depending on how fast I can get through these, the sooner I'll be able to. Okay, we're getting somewhere. This dude looks like the airhead from those candies I used to eat as a kid. You know, I don't remember the last time I had one. I'm gonna keep it a stack, but that's what this dude is, bro. He's the whole airhead. Look, there he goes. He's like Balloony from where you go, is it called Phineas and Ferb?
And I named him Balloony.
Oh, come on, bro. I don't remember if there's a con to standing under him like this or not.
Hey, yup.
Oh, no! Okay, alright. We can do this, guys. We can do this. What is even on? What is that, like a mule? Okay. We just gotta lock in. We just gotta lock in. Come on. Come on. No! Fucking.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
No, bro, come on. Oh my god, bro. I knew it. I just did that. It comes so fast. It really came so quickly.
That's what she said.
Oh my goodness, man. I had that. I had that. That was literally it. Okay. No, man. Come on, man. Come on. Okay, I just can't sell. I just can't do any dumps.
Don't shoot. Don't shoot. Don't shoot.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Charlie. Charlie who? Charlie horse. Ha ha ha. Anyways. My goodness, bro. I can't believe that he hit me there. I don't know how my dash. Like that was like a pixel frame. Like a pixel hit frame. Okay. Just throwing a bumper car, bro. Like, how about you? Like, I'm not the one to bump heads with. No? Okay. But let's go. I'm not even gonna try and parry that anymore, bro. That's literally what gets me like hoed. It's hoed me the most times in this game, trying to in this boss, trying to parry the stupid thing. What do you call it? The train. I probably would have been done with this if it wasn't for that. Oh yeah, he's gonna be cooked. Yeah, he's cooked. That's wraps. Yeah, that's wraps. That's wraps. Okay. I'm gonna stay right here until I don't have to. I saw the trials. I saw how fast the train was coming in the back. I said, hell no. I don't even think I'm gonna worry about the penguins. I'm pretty sure I can like dodge them, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Okay. Oh no.
And I never saw Balloony again.
Got him! Got him! Let's go! Yes! Alright, and we're only 15 minutes in. Great, awesome. Yeah, come on. People want to see more. People want to see more. Let's go. What I get? What I get? What I get? B-. Great, awesome. On to the next one. Alright, let's do a run and gun, guys. Hopefully, if I beat it fast enough, we can try the next boss. Get a great timed video. Everything will be great. Ah, you wouldn't die.
You won't die.
Oh, I forgot. You're not supposed to shoot those. Can I parry you? I can't parry it. Very misleading game. Maybe I can parry it and I just hoed myself. I just sold. Woo. I'm not gonna lie, I almost sold that. Oh. It's the way how they all fell. I was so close to completing it though. Alright. Let's just run. It's called a run and gun for a reason. We're not here. We're not gonna shoot here. Yeah, that's me, that me. Woo! Okay. pissed. Ow! I truthfully don't remember how you're supposed to dodge that guy. I think it's probably I have to be close to him. I forgot. I was gonna say, if he shoots me in the middle, I'm gonna be so hot. Okay. That's the dinner bell. Alright, let's, yeah, okay, yeah, it is like that. Bye. Oh. What does this say? Snacks. I love a good soft pretzel. Is he throwing condiments? You see that dodge, bro? You know, they dodge, dip, dodge, and duck and playing dodgeball. That's what I did right there. That was peak ducking. Peak dodging. Which are duck dodgers.
In the 24th and a half century!
I'm just saying. It's a hot dog! Bravo! And there you guys go. That's 2 down. We are probably close to finishing the video today. But I will give the next boss a try. And if I nail it on the first try, we're good. Maybe I'll give it 2 tries. 2 tries. And again, sorry, I did not check the boss stage of this. This is called Funfair Fever. Every coin got. And this is Wally Warbles and Aviary action.
Here's a real high-class bout. Here goes.
Okay. Cuckoo bird looking. Oh yeah, this music's hot. I probably should parry the pink one. Yeah. Woo! No, I want to parry you. Oh. Guess that's not an option. This music's so fire. Oh, right, okay. Yep. Okay. Come on. Come on. Woo! Okay. You little evil genius, Megamind looking at. Nah. Oh. Okay. Follow the eggs. Follow the eggs. No, don't follow the eggs. Okay. Oh no! Come on! Eggs in the nest looking there. Come on, bruh. Woo! We're locked, bro. We're locked. Y'all are locked with me. Like in the chat if y'all are locked with me right now. Comment in the chat. Comment 1 in the chat if you're locked. Comment 1 if you are locked with me right now. Come on. Oh my gosh! Come on! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't rush, don't rush. Just focus. Alright, come on. Alright, come on, switch weapons. Alright, come on. Yeah? Okay. Oh my gosh. No. Please. Oh my gosh, please. Yes! I am an elite gamer. Let's go. Oh my god, and there you guys have it. We have got 3 bosses done in the game. Well, 2 bosses, 1 running gun today. Feels so good, feels so accomplished. Oh my gosh. Show me it. C+, okay. Whatever. It's a pass to me. Oh my gosh. First try. Woo! Soul contract for Wally Warbles. Okay. And yeah, guys, I think we're just gonna end it right there today. Oh my gosh, I was so locked. Oh my goodness. I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in again. But yes, please go check out
You, them, and I.
I'm gonna link it in the description. And just, you know, if you like it, like the video, like this video if you enjoyed it. But that's all from me. So I'll catch you on the next one. See ya later.